pag may bagong president. Pag may change of third party, the market is usually correcting. Of annualized change of president on a Dow 30 is usually leads to a recession. So usually pag may change of party, tingnan mo yung percentage ng market. Usually ends on a what? Negative. Okay? Get ng negative. Usually, the sentiment o narrative ng dollar and the stock market. First is the sentiment pag may bagong president. Pag may change of term part, the market is usually correcting. How? Lahat ng mga policies niya, i-implement niya. It's not a bed of roses. May matatakot, may kakabahan, may mga maapektuhan. If you notice, the market's correction is usually on a corrective in a 1-year perspective. Then once it already corrective at walang naging recession, okay, the market rallies. Meron din tinatawag pattern ang market, especially on the Dow 30. The Dow 30 kasi mas streamline yung SPX 500 30 parties. Ang sabi dito sa study na to, we're talking about sentiments here. If there's a change of annualized change of president on a Dow 30, this usually leads to a recession. This usually leads to a correction. This usually leads on a fearful market. Ito yung rason kung bakit positive yung portfolio ko sa long-term investment because I understand the sentiments. Almost 3 million, 5 million pesos positive ang US market ever since. Yung last kasi na pasok ni Trump, 2016, diba nagpano siya? Ano nangyari nung pumasok si Trump? Nag-change ng party from him to Trump. Diba nag-recession after? Bull market, pandemic, and all of that. So usually pag may change of party, tingnan mo yung percentage ng market. Usually ends on a what? Negative. Okay? Nag-end ng negative kasi may change of party. Kasi nga, going back to the previous presentation, natatakot si market sa mga policies na bago. Hindi continuation. Kailan siya nag-occur yung changes na yan na ma-apply natin sa forex at sa stock market? Nangyayari yan during massive ng third quarter at fourth quarter.